How to fix Canon G2010 printer not responding step-by-step guide in this video to solve the issue right here. So the issue usually relates to connection problem like drive error or printer status setting. Step 1 is check physical connection. USB cable, make sure the USB cable is securely connected to both the printer and your computer. Try another port, plug the USB into a different USB port, then power cycle. Turn off the printer and plug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back and turn it on. Step 2 is set Canon G2010 as default printer. Go to Control Panel, Device and Printer, right click on Canon G2010 and click Set as default printer. Try printing again. Step 3 is restart the print spooler service. Press Window plus R, type services MSC, scroll to printer spoiler. Right click in and then restart. Step 4 is reinstall or update printer drivers. Go to Canon support page and search for Canon G2010. Download the latest drivers for your OS like operating system. Uninstall the existing driver from there. Then go to Control Panel, Program, Uninstall Program. Then install the new driver and restart your computer. Step 5 is clear the printer queue. Go to Devices and Printers. Right click on Canon G2010. See what's printing there. Click Printer in the top menu. Ensure Pause Printing and Use Printer Offline are unchecked. Right-click and cancel all pending documents from there. Step 6 will be simply try a different USB cable or computer. Faulty cables can cause not responding error. If possible, test the printer with a different USB cable. Thank you so much for watching this video.